TikTok rewards chaos, not strategy, not polish, not your perfect brand plan. Chaos. Fast, messy, authentic content. It performs better than 90% of what marketers try to overthink. And if you understand why, you can use that chaos to win. I'm Tony Wright, and this is your Marketing Minute, brought to you by Texas CMO. The TikTok algorithm doesn't care about your brand consistency. It cares about patterns that grab attention. It's trained to show users what stops their scroll, not what looks professional. That's why a shaky phone clip can outperform a studio ad. TikTok's chaos isn't random. It's machine logic, rewarding emotional spikes, surprises, and real reactions. See, the system tests every video on a small audience. If people pause, rewatch, or share, it pushes it wider. That's why unpredictable formats, weird hooks, or raw energy often crush perfectly planned content. The more your video feels alive, the better it performs. The algorithm doesn't see creativity, it sees signals. So, how do you make this chaos work for you? Stop over scripting. Test quick, raw ideas daily and keep the first 3 seconds unpredictable. Let your personality or your team show up, not just your brand, and treat every post like an experiment, not a campaign. Quantity teaches the algorithm who you are. Chaos teaches it why people care. The takeaway? TikTok isn't about perfection. It's about pattern recognition. You don't need to control the chaos. You just need to create enough of it for the algorithm to find what works. I'm Tony Wright, and this has been your Marketing Minute. For more information, visit www.texascmo.com.